And you'll see next year. I'll get an awesome present for you, okay? God Young, I swear.
I have a daughter too, you know. I was never a good father to her, but you keep your baby safe no matter what. I'll help you do that.
Mr. Song Di-yeon has passed away.